You know them, you love them, maybe you even crave them. McDonald's French fries have become a global icon, a symbol of fast food perfection. McDonald's French fries, crispy, salty, the perfect side to a burger or just a standalone snack. They're the ultimate comfort food, bringing joy to millions around the world. But here's a fact that might make you put down that carton. Those golden beauties are made with 17 ingredients. Yes, you heard that right, 17. 17. Think about that for a second. That's a lot more than just potatoes, oil, and salt. Your basic potato at home? That's one ingredient, just a simple, humble potato. So what's going on with those other 16? Let's dig in. What are these mysterious components that make up the fries we all know and love? You might be thinking 17 ingredients, that can't be right. It seems excessive for something so seemingly simple. But it's true. And it's not just about making them taste good. There's a whole science behind it. It's about consistency, shelf life, and yes, even a little bit of science. Each ingredient has a specific role to play. We're going to break down the journey of a McDonald's French fry, from the farm to your tray, from the fields where the potatoes are grown to the factories where they're processed. We'll separate fact from fiction when it comes to fast food. There's a lot of misinformation out there, and we're here to set the record straight. And we'll uncover the truth about those 16 other ingredients, including one that might just surprise you. Some of these ingredients are there for preservation, others for flavor, and some for texture. Get ready to see your favorite fries in a whole new light. By the end of this journey, you'll have a newfound appreciation for the complexity behind those simple-looking fries. There's a reason why McDonald's serves billions of pounds of French fries every year. They're iconic, they're craveable, they're practically synonymous with the fast food experience itself. But this universal love for those salty sticks makes it even more important to understand what exactly we're eating. We live in a world obsessed with fast and easy, and while fast food definitely fits the bill, it often comes with a side of mystery. What are those secret ingredients that make these fries so addictive? Are they even real potatoes? These are valid questions. We deserve transparency when it comes to what we put in our bodies. And sometimes the truth is a lot more complex and interesting than we might expect. Let's address the elephant in the room, or rather, the potato in the deep fryer. Fast food has always been a topic of heated debate, and McDonald's fries are often at the center of it all. There are a lot of myths and rumors swirling around fast food, and McDonald's fries are often at the center of it all. People love to speculate about what goes into these golden sticks of deliciousness. Some folks claim they're made from some kind of potato mush, pumped full of chemicals and preservatives. They imagine a concoction whipped up in a lab rather than a kitchen. Others swear they're genetically modified frankenpotatoes designed to never decompose. These theories paint a picture of a food item that's more science fiction than reality. While these claims might make for good urban legends, the reality is a bit less dramatic. The truth is often far simpler and less sensational. Yes, fast food is processed food, but that doesn't automatically make it evil or artificial. Processing is a broad term that covers a range of techniques, but that doesn't automatically make it evil or artificial. It simply means the food has been altered from its natural state, often to enhance flavor, extend shelf life, or make it easier to prepare. Processing simply means the food has been altered from its natural state, often to enhance flavor, extend shelf life, or make it easier to prepare. This is a common practice in many types of food, not just fast food. In the case of McDonald's fries, the processing involves a few more steps than your average home-cooked spud. They go through a series of stages to ensure consistency and taste. But it's not the sinister conspiracy some might have you believe. The process is designed to deliver a product that meets customer expectations every time. Let's take a look behind the curtain. We'll explore the journey of a McDonald's fry from farm to fryer and debunk some of the most persistent myths along the way. It all starts with a potato, surprisingly enough. This humble tuber, grown in fields across the globe, is the foundation of one of the world's most beloved fast food items, the McDonald's French fry. McDonald's sources its potatoes from farms around the world, selecting specific varieties like the russet Burbank, known for its high starch content and ideal fry shape. These potatoes are carefully cultivated to meet the stringent quality standards that McDonald's demands. Once harvested, the potatoes are transported to processing facilities. Here, they undergo a thorough cleaning process to remove any dirt and debris. After washing, the potatoes are peeled and cut into those familiar long strips, a process largely automated to ensure uniformity and efficiency. Here's where things get a little more involved. The cut potatoes are then subjected to a series of steps designed to perfect their texture and flavor. To prevent discoloration and ensure that perfect golden color, the cut potatoes are blanched in a solution containing dextrose, a type of sugar. This blanching process not only helps to maintain the fries' color, but also begins to break down the starches within the potatoes. This step is crucial as it contributes to that soft, fluffy interior that we all love in a McDonald's fry. The blanching process ensures that the fries will have the right texture once they are cooked. Next comes the pre-frying stage. This is a quick but essential step in the journey from spud to strip. The blanched fries take a quick dip in vegetable oil, which is where some of those additional ingredients come into play. This initial frying helps to set the fries' shape and begins the cooking process. This oil blend often includes citric acid as a preservative and dimethyl polysiloxane, a silicone-based anti-foaming agent. These additives help to maintain the quality and consistency of the fries during the frying process. This initial fry helps to cook the potatoes through and set their shape. It's a critical step that ensures the fries will be perfect when they reach the final frying stage at the restaurant. The fries are then flash frozen to lock in their flavor and texture. Once frozen, they are packaged and shipped off to McDonald's restaurants around the world, ready for their final glorious encounter with the deep fryer. This final fry at the restaurant gives them that iconic crispy exterior and fluffy interior, making them the perfect side to any McDonald's meal. Section 5, the science of crunch. Now for the main event, the final fry. This is where those McDonald's fries achieve their signature crispiness. The frozen fries are cooked in a blend of vegetable oils, often including canola, soybean, and hydrogenated soybean oil. This blend is carefully calibrated to achieve the perfect frying temperature and texture. But it's not just about the oil. Remember those 16 ingredients we talked about? Some of them come into play during the frying process. For example, McDonald's adds a small amount of tertiary butylhydroquinone, a preservative that helps to maintain the quality and flavor of the oil. While some people might be wary of these additives, it's important to remember that they are present in very small amounts and are considered safe for consumption by regulatory agencies. Food scientists and nutritionists will tell you that the key is moderation. Section 6. The beef in the fries. Here's the kicker, the ingredient that might raise a few eyebrows. Natural beef flavor. Yes, you read that right. McDonald's fries, despite being ostensibly vegetarian, contain a beef-derived flavoring. This ingredient is listed on their website and has been the subject of much discussion and debate. According to McDonald's, the natural beef flavor is used to enhance the savory notes of the fries. It's a hydrolyzed vegetable protein that's been reacted with beef fat. While the amount used is small, it does mean that the fries are not suitable for strict vegetarians or vegans. This unexpected ingredient highlights the importance of reading food labels carefully, especially if you have dietary restrictions or allergies. It also raises questions about transparency in food labeling and the use of flavor enhancers in processed foods. Section 7. Knowledge is power and flavor. So, there you have it. The journey of a McDonald's French fry is more complex than it might seem at first glance. From the farm to the factory to your tray, these golden sticks undergo a series of processes and incorporate a surprising number of ingredients. The goal here isn't to demonize McDonald's or scare you away from your favorite fries. It's about empowering you with knowledge. Understanding what's in our food allows us to make informed choices about what we eat and how often. Fast food, like anything else, should be enjoyed in moderation. And while those 17 ingredients might seem like a lot, remember that they serve a purpose in creating the flavor and texture we've come to expect. Section 8. Now you're cooking. The next time you're staring down a carton of those irresistible fries, take a moment to appreciate the journey they took to get to you. Think about the potatoes, the farmers, the processing plants, and yes, even those 17 ingredients. What are your thoughts on fast food ingredients? Does knowing more about them change your perspective? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And for more food facts and kitchen adventures, be sure to check out my other articles and videos. Until next time, happy eating!